Hello, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek and today I'll show you how to connect OnceHub's MCP server to your OpenAI agent. This would allow you to retrieve available time slots and schedule a meeting on your booking calendar using your OpenAI agent. This means that you no longer would have to go directly to your booking link to be able to schedule a time slot. To get started, you can log into your OnceHub account and go to the account integrations section. From here, we can go to APIs and webhooks to generate an API key. Once you have your API key, we can go ahead and go to the agent builder. And from here, we can add the MCP tool to the agent. We will be adding a new server. The URL is as shown on the screen, and you can also take a look at our developers documentation for more information on this. The label can be anything. For now, we will use OnceHub MCP. For the authentication, you'll see there are three different options. We will be selecting the option for access token or API key. And we can simply paste our API key. It looks like OpenAI is able to connect with OnceHub's MCP server and detect the available tools, which we can go ahead and add. For the agent, within the instructions, I have provided my booking calendar ID, which would be used to use the MCP tools. Let's go ahead and test the agent to see if it is working correctly or not. So I've asked for a very basic question to show me availability for next week. We will go ahead and approve the API request. So it looks like the available time slots have been generated correctly. Let's try to schedule a meeting now. I'll also be providing the details such as my name and email and the time zone. You could provide certain instructions to your agent, for example, to default to a particular time zone. However, if no such instructions are provided, then the agent would most likely ask for a time zone. So the bot is clarifying the time zone from me. Let's go ahead and approve the API request and see if a booking is being scheduled correctly by the agent. So it looks like the booking was correctly scheduled, and I have also gotten the booking ID. Let's see if this is also showing up within OnceHub. So I can see the meeting within OnceHub as well, and all the details are correctly showing up. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to connect OnceHub's MCP server with your OpenAI agent. In case of any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.